Hey everyone, it's MKBHD here. Tech gadgets are everywhere. They're not just cool toys anymore. They're essential tools for work, communication, and entertainment. Choosing the right gadget can be overwhelming. There are so many options, brands, and features to consider. Don't worry, I'm here to help you navigate the world of tech and find the perfect device for your needs. Before you dive into the world of tech specs and reviews, take a moment to think about what you really need from a gadget. What will you be using it for? What are your priorities? Portability, battery life, camera quality, processing power. Once you have a clear understanding of your needs, you can start narrowing down your options. Tech gadgets come in a wide range of prices. It's important to set a budget before you start shopping. This will help you avoid overspending and focus on devices that offer the best value for your money. Remember, a higher price doesn't always mean better quality. There are plenty of affordable gadgets that offer excellent performance and features. Gadgets are packed with features, but not all features are created equal. Some features, like a high-resolution camera or a powerful processor, are essential for certain tasks. Others, like a curved screen or facial recognition, might be nice to have but not absolutely necessary. Think about which features are most important to you and prioritize them when making your decision. Section 5. Smartphones, your connected companion. Smartphones have become an indispensable part of our lives. They are not just devices, they are our daily companions, helping us navigate through the complexities of modern life. Whether we are at work, at home, or on the go, our smartphones are always within reach, ready to assist us in countless ways. They allow us to stay connected, capture memories, and access information on the go. From snapping photos of special moments to staying updated with the latest news, smartphones have revolutionized the way we interact with the world. They are our cameras, our news sources, our entertainment hubs, and so much more. When choosing a smartphone, consider factors like screen size, camera quality, battery life, storage capacity, and processor speed. Each of these features plays a crucial role in determining how well the device will meet your needs. For instance, a larger screen might be ideal for watching videos and playing games, while a high-quality camera is essential for capturing stunning photos and videos. Do you need a phone with a large display for watching videos or a phone with a long-lasting battery for all-day use? Think about your daily routine and how you use your phone. If you are someone who spends a lot of time streaming content, a phone with a large, high-resolution display might be the best choice for you. On the other hand, if you're always on the move and need a device that can keep up with your busy lifestyle, a phone with a robust battery life is essential. Smartphones also offer a range of functionalities that cater to different aspects of our lives. For instance, they enable us to stay connected with loved ones through video calls and social media. They also make online shopping a breeze, allowing us to purchase items with just a few taps on the screen. Additionally, smartphones can serve as our personal assistants, helping us navigate through unfamiliar places with GPS and track our fitness goals with various health apps. They are versatile tools that adapt to our needs, making our lives more convenient and efficient. Customization is another key aspect of smartphones. With a plethora of apps and widgets available, you can tailor your device to suit your preferences and lifestyle. Whether it's organizing your home screen, setting up reminders, or downloading apps that enhance productivity, the possibilities are endless. Security is also a critical consideration. Modern smartphones come equipped with advanced security features like fingerprint sensors and facial recognition, ensuring that your personal information remains safe and secure. These features provide peace of mind, knowing that your data is protected. Moreover, smartphones are becoming central to the concept of a connected home. They can control smart home devices, manage home security systems, and even make payments through mobile wallets. This integration of technology into our daily lives is transforming the way we live, making everything more interconnected and seamless. In conclusion, smartphones are more than just gadgets. They are essential tools that enhance our daily lives in numerous ways. From communication and entertainment to productivity and security, they offer a wide range of functionalities that cater to our diverse needs. As technology continues to evolve, smartphones will undoubtedly play an even more significant role in shaping our future. Section 6. Laptops powering your productivity. Laptops are essential for students, professionals, and anyone who needs a portable computer for work or entertainment. When choosing a laptop, consider factors like screen size, weight, battery life, processor speed, RAM, storage capacity, and operating system. Do you need a lightweight laptop for travel or a powerful laptop for gaming or video editing? Section 7. Wearables technology on your wrist. Wearable technology, such as smartwatches and fitness trackers, has exploded in popularity in recent years. These devices offer a range of features, from tracking your steps and monitoring your heart rate, to making calls and sending messages. When choosing a wearable, consider factors like design, comfort, battery life, features, and compatibility with your smartphone. Section 8. Research is key. Don't skip this step. Before you buy any tech gadget, it's crucial to do your research. Read reviews from trusted sources, watch video reviews, and compare different models and brands. This will give you a better understanding of the pros and cons of each device and help you make an informed decision. Section 9. Understanding specs. Decoding the tech jargon. Tech specs can seem like a foreign language, filled with numbers, acronyms, and technical terms that can be overwhelming for the average consumer. However, these specifications provide valuable information about a gadget's capabilities and performance. They are essentially the DNA of the device, telling you what it can and cannot do. Don't be afraid to ask for help from a salesperson or tech-savvy friend if you're unsure about what certain specs mean. They can break down the jargon into simpler terms and help you understand what each specification signifies. Understanding key specs like processor speed is crucial. The processor, often referred to as the CPU, is the brain of the device. It determines how fast your device can process information and run applications. A higher processor speed means better performance, especially for tasks like gaming, video editing, and multitasking. RAM, or random access memory, is another critical spec. It acts as the device's short-term memory, allowing it to handle multiple tasks simultaneously. More RAM means your device can run more applications at once without slowing down. This is particularly important for users who like to multitask or use memory-intensive applications. Storage capacity is also a key factor. It determines how much data your device can hold, including apps, photos, videos, and documents. Devices with higher storage capacities are ideal for users who store a lot of media or large files. Additionally, screen resolution is important for those who prioritize display quality. A higher resolution means a clearer, sharper image, which is essential for activities like watching videos, editing photos, or reading text. By understanding these key specifications, you can make an informed decision when choosing a tech gadget. Whether you're buying a smartphone, laptop, or tablet, knowing what to look for in the specs can help you find a device that meets your performance needs and fits your lifestyle. So next time you're in the market for a new gadget, take a moment to decode the tech jargon. It might seem daunting at first, but with a little effort, you'll be able to navigate the world of tech specs with confidence. Remember, knowledge is power. The more you understand about the specifications, the better equipped you'll be to choose the right device for your needs. Happy tech shopping! Section 10. Making the decision your tech, your choice. Choosing the right tech gadget is a personal decision. There's no one-size-fits-all answer. With the vast array of options available today, it can be overwhelming to make a choice. From smartphones to tablets, laptops to smartwatches, each device offers unique features and benefits. It's important to take your time and do your research. Read reviews, watch videos, and ask for recommendations from friends and family. Consider your budget, your needs, and your preferences. Are you looking for a device that offers the best performance, or are you more concerned with battery life? Do you need a gadget that is portable and easy to carry around, or is a larger screen more important to you? Make a list of the features that are most important to you and use it as a guide when comparing different devices. Don't be afraid to try out different devices at a store or borrow a friend's gadget to get a feel for it. Hands-on experience can be invaluable in making your decision. Pay attention to how the device feels in your hand, how responsive the screen is, and how intuitive the user interface is. If possible, spend some time using the device to see if it meets your needs and expectations. Ultimately, the best gadget for you is the one that you'll enjoy using the most. It's not just about having the latest technology, but about finding a device that fits seamlessly into your lifestyle. Whether it's for work, entertainment, or staying connected with loved ones, the right tech gadget can enhance your daily life and bring you joy. So, take your time, explore your options, and make a choice that you'll be happy with for years to come. Section 11. Enjoy your gadget. Tech should make life easier. Tech gadgets are designed to make our lives easier, more efficient, and more enjoyable. Once you've chosen the right gadget for your needs, take some time to explore its features, personalize its settings, and make it your own. Embrace the world of technology and all the amazing things it has to offer.